So we're in the subtropical rainforest of Belize, very close to the Guatemalan border. And we're going to be walking through this rainforest for about an hour on our way to these amazing caves, which are called Aktun, Tunichil, Muknal. And I know that because it's on Danny's t-shirt. Danny's our guide. And we're going to be crossing these rivers and streams to actually get to these caves, which are very, very extensive, and they've got a lot of Mayan artifacts still in them. So let's get going, and if we see any spiders and snakes on the way, we've been told just not to touch them, but we'll try and film them.